Right, so today I went and bought a brand new camera to replace this thing. This thing. I hate unboxing videos, but I bought this. Where is it? This Insignia HD camcorder, little pistol grip looking deal. $100 at Best Buy. Comes with a bunch of shit in there. You know, this little carry bag and an adapter and a USB cable and all that stuff. I figured for $100 it can't hurt. What the fuck? Give it a try. HD, why not? Let's unwrap this thing, and I'm going to fast forward it as fucking quick as I can. And then I'm going to turn this puppy on, and we'll see how it looks. Alright. Let's see what I can do here. Righto then. This is the new HD camera. Let's go for a fucking walk and see what this thing can do. Not expecting a whole lot, but hey, whatever I can get, right? It's $100. Keep that in mind. You can see yourself, look. Nice.
You're so unaware of what's in store for you. I think it's time to start to hear. Oh yeah. You'll see you're not the perfect human race after all.
So there it is. That is the Insignia NS-DV720P. And it was only $99.99 at Best Buy. So I mean, really, can't go wrong. Comes with a USB cable to connect it to your computer, which also charges it. Also comes with a charger with the AC adapter, so you can put it in the wall. It comes with a little carry bag, so you can put it in a little carry bag. It's got software, but fuck the software. I did notice there is a little bit of weirdness. You can save video to AVI type and MOV. The MOV seemed choppy on my computer at high def, even though it renders fine. When you're streaming it through Sony Vegas, I use Sony Vegas to edit. It was weird, so I'd go with the AVI, but there wasn't any sound. When in Vegas, there was no sound. Viewing the file is fine, the sound. So I just used a little program to kind of just like reconvert it at a higher bit rate, and the AVIs work fine in Vegas. So there's a little bit of a workaround, but it's not too bad. I mean, for $100, it's simple enough. The thing just plugs into the computer, comes up as a hard drive, and you just drag and drop it in there. So there's no extra software needed. It's got a little pistol grip. You know, it's a tiny little thing, and I don't know. I mean, for $100, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. So hopefully this thing lasts for more than a couple days. I'll take it to work with me, and we'll just, you know, get some outdoor shots. That seems to be the one flaw. Well, there's a few flaws. Obviously, it's not the best looking HD camera in the world. Some of these things I have seen over $600 easy, over $1,000 easy. Some of these things, but I'm not shooting Lord of the Rings 4 or anything. I mean, who needs it? I did notice outside looks beautiful. Indoors, if it's not lit right, looks kind of crappy, but you know, just light yourself up and then you can see everything pretty good. It seems really good outdoors. Like you saw from the clips, it looks pretty good. And there's a little switch on the side. You may have seen me flip that over a couple times. I walked outside at first and my van was all fuzzy, and I'm like, oops. It's got an option for just shooting the video, and then it's got another, you flip the switch down and it's for extreme close-ups. So that's what I did with the flower. You saw with the flower how it was kind of fuzzy, and then I kind of flip the switch and it, boom, there's the flower. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. With those two little options there, you can hit the extreme close-up like I'm doing right now. You can see every little whisker and all my crooked teeth. As long as I remember to flip that damn switch, this thing should be pretty solid. So anyway, the Insignia NS-DV720P. When it was all said and done, it cost me about $172 final on the Visa card. The camera itself was $99.99, and I bought an 8GB SDHC card to go with it. So I guess HC is some crazy fast compression or something, so I threw the 8GB in there. I think it's about a gig for 15 minutes of footage. So with 8 gigs, you get about 2 hours, maybe a little bit more. According to the camera, it's a little bit more. You get what you pay for. $100 ain't bad for high def. Have a good mosh pitting.